Hey guys, this is our number skills page 39 and 40. All right, number 1 says circle the number that your teacher says. So in this blue oval, I want you to circle the number 6. 6. Right here. Good. All right. In the green oval, I want you to circle the number 14. Ooh, it's giving you a hint. It's a teen number, but it's saying its own name. 14. Good, right there. In this pink oval, I want you to circle the number 11. This is also a teen number. 11. Good. In this oval, I want you to circle the number 13. 13. It's a teen number. Good. In the yellow oval, I want you to circle the number 10. 10. Good. In the purple oval, I want you to circle the number 9. 9. Very good. Number 2 says, write how many cents. So remember, these are pennies, so we're going to count by ones, just like we would any other object. 1, 2. Make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. So we have 2 cents. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. 5 cents. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. 4 cents. 1, 2, 3. Around and around, just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. 3 cents. All right, and then when you flip over on the back, it says color each shape. Use the color key. All right, so if you see this shape, you're going to color it red. If you see a triangle, you're going to color it brown. If you see a circle, you're going to color it orange. And then if you see a rectangle, you're going to color it green. Bye, friends.